Hi and welcome to our today's lesson. Don't say thank you. It sounds quite interesting, but there's a lot behind it. Most of the students tend to write just thank or thank you in their dialogue or even in their talking in their daily conversation. It is just a bare thank you. And even I was used to it. Ma'am, this book is for you. Thank you. Ma'am, I have done my homework. Thank you. And even I felt that I need to extend and develop my language beyond thank you. And when we came across the CBSE question writing a dialogue, it was realized that thank you is not a complete expression. So we need to learn different ways of saying thank you and in a complete version. Let us proceed without saying much. Different ways or 10 different ways of showing gratitude or different ways to say thank you. One such way is to say thanks a ton. Repeat after me, thanks a ton. That means thanks million times, thanks a ton. Another way is to say thanks a lot. Repeat after me, thanks a lot. Third way is to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. Another expression is thanks a million. This is said in exclamation, thanks a million. Another expression is thanks for your help. Repeat after me, thanks for your help. Or you can say thanks for helping me. Repeat after me, thanks for helping me. Let us proceed and see what more do we have. We can show gratitude and we can express I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Appreciate. Appreciate. I really appreciate it. Another way of saying thank you or showing gratitude is I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. Grateful. I'm really grateful. Repeat after me. I'm really grateful. The next one is if someone gives something to you and you want to express your gratitude and you want to thank that person, you can say that's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Repeat after me. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Next expression is I can't thank you enough. This is usually said that when you are in trouble and someone has gone out of the way to help you out and you are very thankful to that person, you say I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. The last expression that we have is I owe you one. That means someone has done a great favor to you and now in turn you should do some favor to that person. So you say I owe you one. That means now I owe you one favor. Instead of saying thank you, you say that I owe you one. That means now I'm indebted the favor and I need to pay it back to you. So I owe you one. Let us go back and revise our lesson. Thanks a ton. Repeat after me. Thanks a ton. One more time. Thanks a ton. Say it fluently. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. Next one. Thanks a lot. Let's proceed. Thanks a lot. One more time. Thanks a lot. Say it fluently. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Next one. Thank you so much. Repeat after me. Thank you so much. One more time. Thank you so much. Say it fluently. Thank you so much. Let's proceed. Thanks a million. Repeat after me. Thanks a million. One more time. Thanks a million. Now say it fluently. Thanks a million. Next, thanks for your help. Repeat after me. Thanks for your help. One more time. Thanks for your help. Now say it fluently. Thanks for your help. The next one. Thanks for helping me. Repeat after me. Thanks for helping me. One more time. Thanks for helping me. Now say it fluently. Thanks for helping me. Let us proceed. I really appreciate it. Repeat after me. I really appreciate it. One more time. I really appreciate it. Now say it fluently. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Next one. I'm really grateful. Repeat after me. I'm really grateful. One more time. I'm really grateful. Now say it fluently. I'm really grateful. Next one. That's so kind of you. Repeat after me. That's so kind of you. One more time. That's so kind of you. Now say it fluently. That's so kind of you. Next one. I can't thank you enough. Repeat after me. I can't thank you enough. One more time. I can't thank you enough. Now say it fluently. I can't thank you enough. The last one. I owe you one. Repeat after me. I owe you one. One more time. I owe you one. Now say it fluently. I owe you one. With this we have come to the end of the lesson. The students may use this in their written dialogue. Remember, in their written dialogue, the apostrophize I apostrophe M becomes I am. And in spoken, you can express I am. But if you're writing for marks, you're writing an exam for an examination or a test, you have to consider the written form. And those who are learning language, or those who are ELL learner or ESL learners, they may practice this several times so that it comes very naturally to their tongue and they express it in their day-to-day life. When you get into a conversation with a person, do not just say thank you. Try using one of these expressions and it will become a part and parcel of your daily conversation. Those who are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you like today's lesson, kindly hit like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much.